Hi everyone, welcome to day 1 of Absolute Beginner Flow with Atmayogashala. In this class, we will learn how to relax our joints. We'll start with neck and shoulder joint and slowly go towards our hips, our spine and our legs. Now, before we start with an intention setting or a prayer. Bring your palms in Namaste in front of your chest. Try and relax your face. Make sure your spine is upright. If you can't sit in this cross-legged position, take any comfortable seated position which is easy for you, and we'll start. Today's intention is I will focus on my body and my breath and stay with my body and breath through the entire practice. Repeat this mentally 3 times within yourselves. I'll stay with my body and breath through the entire practice. Now with that awareness, drop your hands down. Gently open your eyes. We'll start with moving our neck and shoulders, slowly dropping your chin down towards your chest. As you exhale, as you inhale, lift your chin up, drop your head gently back. Exhale, you drop your chin down towards your chest. Inhale, slowly lift your chin up, drop it back. Do all these movements 3 times. Last one, exhale, chin down to your chest. Inhale, lift your chin up, slowly drop it back. Now exhale, slowly drop your chin down. Turn your chin towards your right shoulder as you inhale. Exhale, come back down. Inhale, slowly take your chin to your left shoulder. Exhale, you're going to bring your chin down towards your chest. Inhale slowly towards your right shoulder. Exhale and come down. Inhale to your left. One last time. Exhale and down. Inhale to your right. And last time to the left. Please slowly do it with the awareness of what's happening in your body. Inhale. Exhale back to a center. Inhale, lift your head up. Now slowly something for our shoulders. Squeeze our shoulders to your ears. As you exhale, drop it down. Inhale, squeeze it up. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, squeeze your shoulders. Exhale, drop it down. Now I'm going to take your hands to the sides. Inhale, take your hands up. Lengthen your spine, join your palms in Namaste. Exhale, slowly drop your hands to the sides and down. With the breath, inhale. Exhale, slowly drop your hands to the sides. Last one, inhale, hands up. Exhale, slowly drop your hands to the sides and down. Good. Now we're going to start something for our spine, which is called the cat and camel pose. You might be aware of this if you've already practiced yoga. If not, that's okay too. You're going to come on your knees, with your knees directly below your hips and hands directly below your shoulders. Separate your fingers. Make sure your knees are comfortable. If you feel there is any pain in your knee, you put a cushion underneath or a blanket so that your knee gets supported. Now as you inhale, you're going to lift your head, lift your chest forward, arching your lower back. Exhale, you're going to squeeze your belly in towards your spine, rounding your upper back, dropping your head completely down, and you can feel a nice rounded spine. Inhale slowly, lift your chest up, arch your lower back, look up. Exhale, slowly round your lower back. This is called cat and camel. Inhale, some people call it cat and cow. Arch your back. Exhale, round your back. Now from here, You're going to come back to neutral spine. Keep your toes together. Exhale. See if you can gently push your hips back towards your heels. Inhale, you'll come back up, preparing to go into a nice child's pose. Exhale, push your hips back, slowly drop your head down if you're comfortable towards the mat. Inhale again, lift your head up, come forward, hips forward. Exhale, push it back, drop your hips down, stretch your arms forward, drop your head down. Stay here for a few breaths. You have to reach your arms as much as you can forward so you can feel the stretch in your spine. Your ankles, your hips. Now as you inhale, slowly come back to neutral spine, lift your hips up. Exhale, cross your legs, slowly sit back, stretch your legs out, and you're going to lie down on your mat. It's your first day of the class, so you're going to take it really gentle and easy. Now you're going to bend your right knee. As you exhale, push your right knee towards your chest. Inhale, slowly stretch your right leg out all the way down. Exhale, bend your left knee, interlock your fingers, place it on top of your knees, push it towards your chest. Inhale, slowly stretch your left leg out. Exhale, bend your right knee, push your knee towards your chest, please. Inhale, slowly stretch it out. Exhale, bend your left knee. Second time with your breath, inhale, slowly stretch it out. At any point you feel this is too difficult, you stop halfway. You stay here. You don't have to push it all the way down. With your right leg again, and inhale, slowly stretch it out. Exhale to your left leg again. Last time, inhale, slowly stretch it out. Good. Now from here, we're going to start something called leg raises. So if you're comfortable, you're going to place your palms on the floor, lift your leg right up. Some people might find this difficult, so you can bend your knees and lift your leg up. As you inhale, you're going to drop it down. Exhale, bend your left knee, lift your leg as much as you can up. Inhale, drop it down. Exhale, lift your right leg up. Inhale, slowly drop it down. Why we are bending the knees is because we don't want an arch in our lower back. So keep your lower back nicely tucked in. Bend your left knee and slowly lift it up. Inhale, drop it down. If you're comfortable, you can lift straight legs. If that's not possible, you still can bend your knees and hold under your thighs, and if you can, straighten your leg. If not, stay where you are. We stay for 5. Feel your breath. 4, 3. If this is comfortable, you can release your hands or still hold whatever works for you. 2. Inhale, slowly drop your right leg down. Exhale, bend your left knee and lift it up. If that's comfortable, stay, or you can interlock your fingers under your thighs and try to stretch your left leg up while your right leg is pressing down. Don't lift your right knee up. Stay here. As you inhale, slowly drop your leg down. Now relax your legs. Keep your right hand on your belly. Close your eyes. Left palm facing up. We're going to do something called belly breathing. As you inhale, your belly will come out. As you exhale, the belly will go in. We'll do this 5 times. Inhale. Exhale. Do it slowly for 5 seconds. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last time. Exhale. Now release your hands, close your eyes. Get back to natural breathing. You're going to fully relax your body. See if there's any tension in any part of your body. Make sure your body is completely relaxing. Now gently open your eyes. Now once you collect your awareness to your body, bring your feet together. And slowly turn towards your right side. And push with your arm. Slowly sit up. We finish with an intention and a prayer for the day. Any comfortable position with your eyes closed, hands in Namaste. Today is my first class and I'm grateful to my own body to be able to do this practice, and I appreciate my body and breath. That's your intention, and say thanks to your own body and your breath, and we'll be prepared for the next class. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much.